How to sign into TD online banking account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in TD Bank login and then search for it. With that, you'll be directed to this page. Now here you're gonna find different website options. Head over to this website option, My TD Online Banking Account login page. Click on it. You will be directed to the official website. Now at the top right, you're gonna see the option of login. Click on that. Under that, you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of online banking. Go ahead and click on that option. After you land to the login page, now you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your account. So go ahead and fill this. Firstly, type in the username, then type in the password. If you want to remember your username, check in for the option of Remember Me. If you have forgotten the password or username, click on this option to recover it. Then you can click on Login. And with that, you will be logged into your TD Bank online banking account. Well, this is how you can easily sign into TD online banking account on the web version. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.